Welcome engineers, today we're using the Power Triangle PQ's interactive calculator, which solves for all your power triangle relationships in AC electrical systems. Let's explore the interface. First, you'll see the drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Solve for apparent power given P and Q. Solve for active power given S and Q. Solve for reactive power given P and S. Solve for power factor given P and S, solve for phase angle given P and Q, and solve PQS given S and power factor. For this demo, I've selected solve for apparent power given P and Q. Below that are 4 input fields: active power P in kilowatts, reactive power Q in kVAR, apparent power S in kVA, and power factor PF ranging from 0 to 1. Since we're solving for apparent power, we'll only need to enter P and Q. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 kilowatts for active power P and 10 kVAR for reactive power Q. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. Active power remains 10 kilowatts, reactive power stays 10 kVAR, and the calculator determined apparent power S equals 1414 kVA. It also calculated our power factor as 0.7071 or 70.71%, phase angle theta as 45 degrees, identified the load type as inductive lagging, and provided a system efficiency assessment stating fair power factor with power factor correction recommended to reduce demand charges and improve system capacity. This calculator streamlines your power triangle calculations for any electrical engineering application. Find the link in the description below.